In this video, we're going to learn how to divide rational expressions. Okay, rational expression is just an expression, so it contains variables. It's a variable expression that is in a format of fractions, like this. 12r plus 24 over 36r minus 36. That is a rational expression because it is a fraction that contains the variable r. So here we have 12r plus 24 over 36r minus 36 divided by 6r plus 12 over 8r minus 8. First of all, the fundamental concept of dividing fractions, or the fundamental process for doing the division of fractions, is to multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second. So we're going to apply that most fundamental step first. So this will become 12r plus 24 over 36r minus 36 times 8r minus 8 over 6r plus 12. We wrote the reciprocal of the second fraction. Now, when you're multiplying fractions, another fundamental step to multiplying fractions is to cancel common factors in the numerator and denominator before simplifying, or actually as the way to simplify. But we don't have factors. In the numerator, we have a 12r plus 24. 12r and 24 right now are not factors. Right? So you cannot just cancel right now. You have to make sure that you have factors, meaning multiplying. Here's what I mean. 12r plus 24 can be factored. We can factor out a greatest common factor of 12. And then r plus 2. Okay, now, if I have an r plus 2 in the denominator, now I can cancel that r plus 2 with this r plus 2. Well, let's see what happens. So what we do is we factor every single part of this. So 36r minus 36 can become 36 times r minus 1. Now, in our numerator of the second fraction, we could take out a common factor of of 8. And we have 8 times r minus 1. And now in our denominator, we can take out a 6, and we're left with 6 times r plus 2. Okay, now, here's an r plus 2 in the numerator, and here's an r plus 2 in the denominator. Those can be canceled. And usually you put a 1 right above or below them. We also have an r minus 1 and an r minus 1 common factors. So that entire expression is a common factor. So they can be canceled as well. And now we just have numbers. So now let's look at what we can do with the 12 and the 36. So it looks like 12 and 36 have a common factor of 12. So if we do 12 divided by 12, we get a 1. 36 divided by 12, we get a 3. Now over here, the 8 and the 6 have a common factor of 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So now we multiply what's left in our numerator. 1 times 1 times 4 times 1, that's 4. 3 times 1 times 3 times 1, that's 9. That's our final answer. That's as simplified as we can get.